Bain Company is an American technology and management consulting company headquartered in Boston. Recently, Bain, in collaboration with Microsoft and Temasek, has compiled Southeast Asia's Green Economy 2022 report. Authors have examined building blocks that Southeast Asia has developed as part of its journey towards net zero, with focus on better understanding needed climate actions and sustainability themes unique to the region. In doing so, they highlighted the interconnections between environmental biodiversity, community livelihood, and economic opportunities. With that being said, we will be referring to key findings of Green Economy 2022 report with the theme of investing behind new realities. This is the extensive efforts behind the report. They have done more than 50 interviews with various investors and sector experts based in Southeast Asia. Further, there were 5 deep dives on priority rivers that possesses highest carbon abatement potential and investability. Moreover, approximately 10,000 deals in Southeast Asia screened from 2020 to early 2022, and around 30 decarbonization levers screened for prioritization. These are the summary of the findings in numbers. They have done 3 themes for these presenting of the summary findings. First one is rising commitments. 8 out of 10 Southeast Asian countries committed to net zero targets. Approximately 2 to 3 times estimated growth in number of new technology commitments by corporate firms in Southeast Asia. Further, approximately $1 trillion annual green economic opportunities for the region by 2030. Second theme is increasing investments. Around $15 billion invested cumulatively by various investors in the region since 2020. Further, $11 billion deployed cumulatively by corporate firms in the region since 2020, with a focus on renewables and built environment. And around 3 times more investment value on sustainability focused startups by private equity and venture capital investors in the region in 2021 than 2020. Third theme is unlock full potential. Around 3 gigatons emission gap for Southeast Asia to 1.5 Celsius aligned level in 2030. Further, $3 trillion cumulative investment required in the region to be on track to 1.5 Celsius by 2030. Approximately 50% of region's GDP is contributed by SMEs who need to be engaged for the green economy. There they have noted, year 2022 is an inflection point for the region as the region works to translate COP26, meaning climate gathering in 2021 in Glasgow, commitments to tangible action. Now we are moving on to summary of the findings of this report, and they have aligned this to 6 themes or captions. First, we will be looking at The first theme they have named as encouraging growth in green investment observed over 2020 and 2021. Southeast Asia has high potential for sustainability impact, transitioning key sectors and developing the green economy still offers a huge price $1 trillion annual economic opportunity by 2030. Second caption is renewables represent a $30 billion opportunity by 2030. For solar power, they expect clear opportunities in commercial and industrial projects in Philippines and Malaysia, with continued potential in utility scale projects. For wind power, there's also a clear opportunity for onshore and offshore wind projects in Vietnam and Philippines, given capacity requirements, favorable geography, and attract returns. Both wind and solar are growing due to tech maturity and attractive returns. Still, need a conducive market structure. Now we'll be moving on to third theme. Electric mobility represent a $50 billion opportunity by 2030, with challenges to ramp up and scale. E-mobility looks poised to take off in Indonesia, Thailand, and Vietnam, especially for two-wheeler electric vehicle manufacturing and sales. Now we are moving on to the fourth theme they have done for the summary report. That is forest conservation among largest carbon abatement levers. $20 billion opportunity by 2030. Established investors are building the foundation for trading carbon credits generated from nature-based solutions, notably including the launch of CIX. Next one is built environment represent a $40 billion opportunity across many segments. Significant opportunities reside in energy saving technology such as efficient cooling solutions, especially in Singapore, Philippines, and Thailand, and green building project to aid construction of green buildings in Singapore and Indonesia. Final one is sustainable farming represent a $30 billion opportunity. Under that, precision agriculture and farmer service platforms are most attractive opportunities due to strong regulatory support, especially in Malaysia, Thailand, and Vietnam. To reach full potential, it is key to improve farmers' connectivity to the market, especially through public private partnerships or PPPs, and financing and support innovative models such as agtech startups. Further, in the report compiled by Bain Company along with Temasek and Microsoft, they have noted impediments holding back scaling the green economy. Notably, they could be named as insufficient incentives to help decarbonization levers. Second one, bias towards new solutions. Final one, what they have identified is lack of clarity on system costs for energy transition. Moreover, they have noted that Southeast Asia should take four key actions to accelerate green investment. They could be identified as unlock opportunities in proven solutions. Second one, confront system costs for energy transition. Third one, strengthen green financing. Final one is drive creative regional collaboration. With that, we will be concluding the presentation. For more of this kind of videos and presentations, kindly Google Gayan Nayanajith. Thanks for watching.